Hi guys. So I'm just going to run through in 3D how running a plane of a section line through a 3D object in the computer affects what the drawing looks like from your top view and from your front view. So as you notice here, I have a bunch of little boxes with red objects inside there that could represent the books that you drew in class, and some openings that reveal the books. So let's do some section cuts through these, and let's see how moving a section cut through this object affect the top view. Turn this one off. Okay. So in this 3D view, notice this plane sitting above the top view. This is going to be our cutting plane. So as this thing gets lowered, it starts to cut the box in 3D. Now notice in our plan where it's cutting, creates a dark line with light lines behind it, showing objects behind the cut and showing the dark as the cut. Let's keep moving it. Notice what happens with this open box. It only reveals 3 sides of that box where it's cut because the one side's open to reveal the book. And the book is a continuous line showing that it's cut, as well as these 2 other boxes. And we can move through showing in plan how it changes through space. Kind of a buildup of objects. Next, let's show an elevational section. So looking at our plan, we have these boxes all at an angle. Now let's take this plane here, move it through space of these boxes, and we'll notice in the front view here how that'll change. Notice the hard cuts coming through, as well in 3D. Everything is getting cut. Let's keep moving it through space. Notice how the section lines pop out, as well as the light lines behind. As we move farther and farther through, the boxes become less and less, but still showing hard lines and soft lines. And in 3D, we can see how this operates as well. This video is really responding to a numerous amount of questions on how to visualize this in 3D space. So when we look at those boxes that we were drawing today, we should visualize almost a virtual plane that cuts through them, erasing where the plane has been and creating our section planes, whether that's from the side or the top. Now this is in 3D, but the next tutorial I will do in Illustrator by hand. Check that next video out.